Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet a beautiful tissue holder. For this, we are using 5 different colors of cord, crochet hook, cutter, needle and a stitch marker. Start with a slip knot. First, we are going to do the base. Foundation chain should be the foundation chain you have to do till the length of this tissue paper. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and we are going to do till the length of the tissue paper which we are going to keep inside. So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. So you can measure the length. So now you have done till the length of the tissue paper. For next row, you are going to do single crochet in the second stitch from the hook 1, 2. So you are going to work in the third loop, turn your work. So you will see a bump like structure here. So insert the hook here, yarn over, pull through that loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch, the next bump like structure here, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. So for next row, do chain 1, turn your work, do single crochet in the first stitch by taking both the loops together. Single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. So by following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you have to do them till the height of the tissue paper you are going to keep inside this. So I have done for 10 rows. So I have done half the part. For next half, I am going to change the color. So you'll insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. We are not going to finish it off using the same color. Instead, we are going to take the next color and pull through. You can pull this red color to tighten them. Do chain 1. Next, you can snip off this yarn. Turn your work. You can carry this yarn for doing the next row. So next, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 more rows using this green color. After doing them, it looks like this. So now we have completed the base. Next, we are going to do the border for this base. Do chain 1. The corner stitch, you are going to do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. So likewise, we will be doing 1 single crochet in each stitch till you reach this corner stitch, and in the corner we will be doing 2 single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this corner. At the corner we will be doing 2 single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch, and in this corner we will be doing 2 single crochet. After doing single crochet in all the 3 sides, it looks like this. Next, you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So now we have finished the base of the house. Next, we are going to make the walls. To do the wall, take the next color, make a slip knot. We'll start from where we have entered. So we insert it here, insert it in this loop, pull through, do chain 1. We are going to do single crochet in the back loops. So if you see a chain here, this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So for this round, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch only on the back loops. Take the back loop, do single crochet. Next stitch back loop and do single crochet. Next stitch back loop, do single crochet. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch only on the back loops around till you reach this end. After doing single crochet in each stitch in the back loops, it looks like this. So from this round onwards, you are going to work in rounds. So we will not complete using slip stitch. Instead, we are going to work in rounds. We will do single crochet this next stitch. Place a stitch marker in this stitch. Next it's single crochet by taking both the loops together. Next it's single crochet by taking both the loops together. So likewise you will be doing single crochet around till the required height of the wall you want. After doing them till the required size, the wall look like this. So if you place the tissue here, I have done till this height. So next we are going to make a triangle on the opposite side. So one side I have done. So we'll see how to do them in the other side as well. So we have to mark the corners. So take the yarn, remove the stitch marker, place the yarn on the hook, pull through the chain one. You are going to make a decrease in the first stitch. So insert the hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. Insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. So we'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is what we say it is decrease. That is, decrease is nothing but joining 2 stitch into a single stitch. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you are left with the last 2 stitches, and in the last 2 stitch you are going to do a decrease how we did in the start of this row. So if you see, now you are left with the last 2 stitch, remove the stitch marker, you are going to do a decrease, insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. Insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So we have joined the last 2 stitch into a single stitch. So after doing them, it looks like this. For next row, turn your work. You're going to make a decrease. Insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. Insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Next it's single crochet. Next it's single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you are left with the last 2 stitches, and in the last 2 stitch you are going to do a decrease how we did in the start of this row. Now we are left with the last 2 stitches. The last 2 stitch you are going to make a decrease. After completing this row, it looks like this. For next row, turn your work. You are going to follow the same pattern, that is, so make a decrease in the first stitch, and then do single crochet in each stitch till you are left with the last 2 stitches, and in the last 2 stitch you are going to do a decrease. You have to continue them till you are left with 2 stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Now we are left with last 2 stitch. The last 2 stitch you are going to make a decrease. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. It looks like this. Next, we are going to do single crochet around. So we'll insert the hook in any of the loop, pull through, chain 1, do a single crochet. Next it's single crochet. Next it's single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do single crochet in this side. So we do 1 single crochet in each stitch. So likewise, we'll be doing single crochet like this way, the straight line, then in this triangle like this. We'll end up here by doing a slip stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, we are going to make the roof. So for that, we have to follow the same pattern what we did for the bottom part. Take the yarn, make a slip knot. Foundation chain should be the same number of chain what we did for the base part. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it is chain. So the number of chain should be the same as how we did this base of this house. So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. So you can check the length by placing it on the top, on both the pointed part. You can check the length. So next, you're going to work on the third loop. So you'll turn your work. You can see a bump like structure here. So you're going to do single crochet. Next it's single crochet. Next it's single crochet. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. If you see here, you will like a V-like structure here. This is the front loop. This is the back loop. So for this row, you're going to work on the back loops. You're going to take back loop and do single crochet. Next stitch back loop and do a single crochet. Next stitch back loop, single crochet. Next stitch back loop and do a single crochet. It looks like this. You have to follow this pattern of doing single crochet by taking the back loop till you reach the end. After working single crochet on the back loops, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. For this row, you'll be working on the front loops. So take the front loop and do single crochet. Next stitch front loop and do single crochet. Next stitch front loop, do single crochet. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for the roof. That is, alternatively we'll be working on back loop and front loop. For this row, you are working single crochet on the front loop. So in the next row, you'll be working single crochet on the back loop. Next row, single crochet on the front loop till the required length you want. So I am going to do them till it reaches the first row of this black part. After doing them, it looks like this. It looks like this. Next do chain 1, turn your work. This round we are going to work by taking both the loops together. So we'll do single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next count 5 stitches from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So do 8 chain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Skip 8 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and do single crochet in the 9th stitch. So next do single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches. So 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
So this will be the opening of the tissue paper to come out from the holder. So for next round, do chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So now we are done with the opening. Next we are going to change the color. So we will finish the last single crochet using the other color. Pull through, do chain 1. You can snip off this red one. Turn your work. Same way how we did this side, we will do the other side also. So now we will be working in the front loop. Do single crochet, the front loop. Next it's single crochet in the front loop. Next it's single crochet in the front loop. Likewise we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch in the front loop. Next row we will do single crochet in each stitch in the back loop. Next row we'll do single crochet in each stitch in front loop how we did this side, and the same rows we will do the other side also. After doing them, it looks like this. Next you're going to do the border for this. So you will finish the last single crochet using the other color. Take the next color, finish the single crochet. You can snip off this yarn. We are going to do single crochet in each stitch around. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch around. So after doing the border, the roof looks like this. Now we'll see how to join them to this house. First we will join this center part. So like this we will be weaving one side. After weaving the roof, the house tissue holder looks like this. The house tissue holder looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.